Hi, I am Randy Bowling with EQ Systems. Today we are going to talk about how to manually retract your jacks using a uni pump. The first tool that you're going to need is an 1/8 inch Allen wrench. The next tool that you're going to need is a cordless drill with a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter Allen. So what you're going to do with the 1/8 inch Allen wrench is go to your pump, and on your pump you're going to have 4 valves on one side. So you're going to take your Allen wrench and you're going to put it inside of the valve. There's an 1/8 inch set screw. You're going to turn that set screw clockwise until it goes snug. You will need to do this with all 4 valves. Now after you open all 4 of these valves by turning them clockwise, there is a 5th valve on the back side of the pump. This is the DB2 valve. You will also need to put your Allen wrench in there and turn it clockwise as well until it goes snug. Now after you have all 5 valves open, the next thing that you will need to do is open the directional valve. This valve has a silver knob or a red knob on the end of it. To open this valve, simply pull it straight out 1/4 inch and turn it 1/4 turn. This will hold the valve open. Once you have this valve open, you will need to go to the end of the pump where there's a silver sticker. You will need to remove this silver sticker, take your cordless drill, put it in the end of the motor, and run your drill. You will run your drill until your jack legs are fully retracted. You will run your drill counterclockwise. Once your jacks are fully retracted, go back to your valves and make sure that you close them by turning them counterclockwise until the set screw goes snug. Make sure you do all of your valves, including the 5th valve on the back side of the pump. Make sure that you turn these until they're counterclockwise all the way snug. This is essential because if you don't do this, it is possible that your jacks could drift during transit. Now once you have all 5 of your valves closed, go back to your directional valve that you pulled out and turned 1/4 turn and turn it until it snaps in. It will pop back into place. Once you do that, your pump is back to where it was before you touched it. And then you're ready to travel. For any questions, please go to eqsystems.us. Thanks.